typically evaluate the transplantation immunology. Transplantation immunology, the replacement of a deceased organ by a transplant, is called transplantation. In the early 1940s, Medava explained the nature of graft rejection while working with the burn patients of World War II. In his observation, the following features were made clear. Graft of skin from one region of the body to another in the same patient were easily accepted. Grafts obtained from close relatives like brother or sister were rejected. When a second graft were performed by obtaining the tissue from the same donor, the rejection reaction occurred with greater intensity and speed. The graft or transplant leads to various complications in the host body. They are mediated by the host immune response. Very often, the transplant gets rejected or may lead to graft versus host reaction or disease. Before discussing the nature and implications of this rejection phenomenon, let us look into the terms involved in various types of graft. Classification of graft. The graft can be classified into four major types. Autograft. The tissue of the original donor is grafted back into the same donor. For example, skin graft from thigh to face in severely deformed case of burnt individual. Isograft. Graft between syngenic individuals. For example, clones or identical twins. Allograft, homograft, allograft between allogenic individuals, that is, members of same species but of different genetic constitution. For example, kidney transplanted from one human to another. Xenograft, also called heterograft, graft between xenogenic individuals. For example, organ transplanted from pig to human, baboon to human. Genetic basis of organ transplant. Success of organ transplants and skin grafts depends on the proper matching of histocompatibility antigens that occur in all cells of the body. Chromosome 6 of mouse contain a cluster of genes known as the major histocompatibility complex, which in humans is called human leukocyte antigen complex. The alleles of HLA genes determine the histocompatibility, that is, the compatibility between donor and recipient tissues in transplant. The array of human leukocyte antigen alleles on the homologue of our chromosome 6 is known as haplotype. An individual inherits HLA haplotype from each parent. The large number of alleles at this locus ensured the fact that only identical twins have identical haplotype.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational content.